Hello guys, so this is how you're going to connect Klaviyo to Square. First, you're going to log into your Klaviyo account and go to integrations from the left side panel. And then you're going to scroll down until you see this integrations right here. So you're going to have to click on that. And then once you're here, you're going to click on explore apps if you don't have any integrations available yet. So you're going to click on explore apps from here, or you can also access it from the right corner of your screen at the top. Now, once you're at the um, app up the app drawer, you're going to search for Square at the top. Just click on the search bar and then just click on Square. It usually is the first thing that comes up when you search for it. And then once it appears, you're going to click on install or link. And then you're going to have to sign in to your Square account and grant Klaviyo permission to access your data. And once connected, your Square customers and purchase data will automatically sync to Klaviyo, letting you create better email and SMS campaigns. And that's it. That is how you're going to connect Klaviyo to Square. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.